Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We're here with the air hockey game, and here's what I want you to do this weekend. I want you to get all the paddles to move in all the directions that we want. I've got my right and my left paddle moving. I can stop them. I can make them move this way. They go all the way around to both sides of the ice, but that's okay. We can stop that from happening, and that'll work out. But right now they're kind of freely moving, but they move in kind of all directions, which is good. You know, they can kind of move toward the puck. Things like that. We'll make the puck, make them hit the puck as soon as it can. This one also moves on the WASD keys. It's moving around. I made an X key to kind of stop it, which is good. But if you don't let them stop, they go outside of the thing, which is okay, I guess. There it goes, comes back. But there it is. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. To program this thing, you already have all the key codes that we figured out, okay? We've already used them for left and left up and down. So it's very easy to make them for right up and down. Okay. And then when you're going to use the right and left for these guys, because this is pretty easy to do, and you can make something that would make them stop. Like you just have to find out what X is, you know, for example, and you can take it from there. I feel like this is stuff you can figure out, and I feel like this is sort of a good test to see if you can figure stuff out. Let's see. So the right paddle up and down is really the same. That's easy. Okay. Left paddle going right and left. You know, moving horizontally. Okay. And the right paddle moving horizontally. Okay, well, like it's basically the same system, but it requires you to go into paddle again and make setters and getters. So you'd have to make setters and getters here. For like X speed, so you can change the X speed. Okay, they're also called accessor methods because they allow access to this private variable up here, X speed. Okay, so basically, if you can just do that, I'm going to spell accessor. I'm not spelling that right. But basically, or actually, it might be okay. But basically, if you do that, then you can do the same system that we did over here. So in the paddles, okay? So it would be the same system. I want to see if you can figure it out. Basically, you're working in key pressed in air hockey, and then you're adding two accessor methods to paddle, okay? And what you're looking for is to get the paddles on the table to move around.
Okay.
It's going to run like this.